Today I bring you no new releases, no fancy actives, no new discoveries, but a classic, or as I like to call it, a heritage product. Something that already my mother used and that I keep repurchasing over and over again. A review of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2, which has its first feature on my blog in December 2014. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. I can't even tell you how many bottles of this I have purchased over the course of the last 10 years. I even remember that in 2015 I purchased a 100 milliliter bottle of this one in Singapore duty-free airport. This is how much I love it. But this is not about how much I love it, this is about if it's really worth your money. So let's see what Estee Lauder has to say first. A powerful nighttime renewal serum for radiant, youthful looking skin with instant luminosity and hydration. It comes in this dark bottle with a pipette and is slightly yellow in color. And I'm almost out of it. It spreads easily on the skin, has no tackiness and sinks in quickly. I use it at night after cleansing, but despite the name Advanced Night Repair, you could easily use it in the mornings as well. There's nothing both in texture and ingredients that would prevent you from doing so. Speaking of ingredients, it actually has not much to show for. It has humectants, namely sodium hyaluronate. It has a few soothing ingredients like bisabolol. It contains caffeine, and what might be the reason why my skin enjoys it too much, 2 different kinds of fermented ingredients or postbiotics. The question is now though, is this one worth your money? Because it's really pricey, even if you buy the big size, which reduces the cost per milliliter. And the problem is I can't really answer that. I adore it. Whenever my skin freaks out, whenever my skin just is not behaving its best, but I don't know why, this is what I reach for, and it without fail gives my skin what it needs. It calms my skin, it plumps my skin, it hydrates my skin, it leaves me feeling fresher and just more healthy without ever irritating my skin. The problem is though, I can't really tell you why I think it's worth your money. It is definitely for me. It's nothing that you absolutely need, so if you're on a budget and can't afford this, don't buy it. It's not something in the ingredients, but it's just how this is formulated, how it works with my skin that makes me buy it over and over again. So if it's worth the money, I think you need to see for yourself. For me, it's worth every cent, and I think it will benefit all skin types. I'm going to link 2 more videos on the screen now that I think you might enjoy, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another one. Bye!